In this video, we are going to prepare the Retail Analytics Dataset for analytics and machine learning. Let us look at the details of the dataset at Kaggle. It consists of the store's data, which is data about different stores. It has the features data like temperature, fuel price at that location of the store for a specific week. And finally there's sales data. This is a weekly sales data for each department of a store. Let's go back to examining our workflow. We start off by reading the store's data. Then we read in the features data. We see that the features data has some invalid values in the markdown columns in some of the rows. In later rows it has the right values for the markdown columns. So we go ahead and filter those containing the invalid markdown values using the row filter processor. Then we use the cast column type processor to cast the columns to the appropriate types, for example date, double and others. Here we read in the sales data for different weeks at the different departments of the store. Again we start off by casting the data to the right type. It has a is holiday column and we want to drop it because it is also present in the features data. So we drop the is holiday column. We join the store's data and the features data, and then we again join the output of that to the sales data. Now we have the result of the three joined datasets. We want to find the weekly sales by store, and we also want to store the join of the three datasets so that we can use it for further analytics. We use the group by processor to find the weekly sales by store. We group it by store and by date, and then sum the weekly sales data for each department of the store. Then we finally save the data into a folder on the file system. For the second path, we use a case when processor to convert is holiday column to a numeric value. The flag outlier processor flags the outliers, followed by the row filter processor to filter out the rows which have been flagged as an outlier. We finally save the data into a folder on the file system. Let's look at the results of execution of this workflow. Here we see the weekly aggregated sales dataset that has been generated. It has the sum of the weekly sales for each store, along with the number of departments in each store. Let's look at the raw clean data. This dataset was created by joining all the three input files, cleaning the data and removing the outliers. In this video we process the input files of the retail dataset for further analytics and machine learning. Thank you.